To achieve a strict rings muscle up without any kipping, you need to be able to do three things. First are chin-ups with a false grip. Second, dips with a full range of motion. And third, this foot-supported transition exercise to nail the transition between the chin-up and the dip. First, to do a false grip, you need to put the pinky side of your wrist aggressively over the rings and hang like that instead of hanging from your fingers. If you try to do a chin-up hanging from your fingers, your wrists can't rotate to help you perform the muscle up. If it's impossible for you to hang in a false grip, strengthen it by doing ring rows in a false grip, and end every workout by just hanging with one hand in the false grip and the other in a normal grip until failure. Rest and switch sides until you can eventually hang with both arms in the false grip simultaneously. The false grip will be painful at first, but eventually you'll get used to it and do all your chin-ups with the false grip like this, which is absolutely crucial for muscling up. I have a video tutorial dedicated only for the false grip, so if you want more info there, check that video out in the description. Next, we'll talk about the dips. You need to have a stable support hold. That's the top of the dip position. And then you need to get good at doing dips with full range of motion. If you're struggling with either dips or the support hold, I have a video dedicated to each of those, full of intermediary progressions to help you get there. Check the link in the description for more info there. Now for the third and most important part that people struggle with the most is figuring out the transition section between the chin-up and the dip. What you want to do is get a chair, put it behind you, hang in the false grip, and put the top of your feet on the chair and practice transitioning going from underneath the rings to the bottom of a dip. Work on keeping the hands and elbows close to your body and just isolate that transition between the bottom and the top and build yourself up to do at least 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps of this foot-supported transition exercise. Isolating this part will not only strengthen the part that most people struggle with, but help your body understand the movement pattern that's required to complete the muscle up. Do these 3 exercises: the false grip chin-ups with an explosive tempo, the dips with full range of motion, and practice the transition with the foot-supported version, and you'll achieve a strict muscle up in no time. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Now, I'd love to hear what you have to say. Have you achieved the muscle up using this technique that I've shared in the past? Are you ready to have a go at it and put this under your belt? Do you have any questions about the process? Let me know and I'll catch you in the comments section. Thanks for watching.